So hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have this amazing Kia EV6 and we're going to open up the car, and as you can see the mirrors came out and the door handles too. It's an amazing car. It looks really cool and it has the black on black pack, so everything is black and it is a really nice spec. This car is a 74 kilowatt hour car, so it has a lot of power, and it also has 229 horsepower, and all that power is coming on the back of the car because this car is rear wheel drive. Very cool. We're going to take this car on a spin. As you can see, it has the really cool spoiler and the sloping roofline. That is really cool, and we're going to drive this car on a POV drive for you. And as you can see, we are now in the interior of the car. The seat moves to the seating position. We're putting the car on and placing the keys in here and take this for a spin. I will also take out my phone and it will charge on the charging pad. That works really good. And we're going to take this car on a drive. So let's go. And as you can see in the front, there's the heads up display. I'll bring this car to the outside of the garage and I'll be back. Max reverse drive. I'll show you a little bit of the inside of the car when it's dark. You can see the cameras over here and also the heads-up display, the virtual display, the virtual cockpit. All the buttons are lighted as well in here as well, with the cool thing that this is purple and you have some lightings in the back, not that much but they are, and everywhere around you it's all lit up. I'm going to change the temperature, and that's really cool, and turn it into drive. There we go. We then regenerated pedaling at the maximum. So when you release, you can drive with one pedal, and I really like one pedal driving. Sorry for that. So turn up the ventilated ventilated seats, and here we are outside of the garage, and a little acceleration to see the power of the car. Let's go. Oh, that's really slow actually. That was I dropped down the pedal and there was nothing. So let's see if we can change the mode into sport. That's not this tab, that is right here. Okay, that's sport. That's the sportiest settings of the car. It will now slow down much quicker and also accelerate much quicker. and now it's sporty. As you can see, when you turn up the the thing, it will show you the outside of the car. And the regenerated braking is really powerful, so that's really useful if you want to drive with one pedal. So guys, enjoy the drive. I'll stop talking and you can enjoy everything around you and also in and outside of the car. And yeah, just enjoy. Really cool feature. I thought, why do I hear kind of water sounds and birds and stuff? But the thing is, there is some nature playing. This is nature sound. Damn. I didn't expect this, but it is the nature sound feature, and it will play sounds of the nature to be relaxed, and that's the thing they want to do, I guess. But I will turn it off. Sorry, this, and now I can turn it off. So better. Yeah, it's decently quick. It's actually really quick. The driving is actually really comfortable. And I'm now on the highway, so I'm driving 110 kilometers an hour, and it feels all really smooth. And what is the power when you kick down on 100 kilometers an hour? Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty decent. So, and this was a complete standstill from 110 kilometers an hour without braking. So that's really cool if you want to, yeah, as I already said, drive with one pedal. Do one more acceleration for you, and I want to test out if the, let's say, the kickdown feature, if there's any kind of launch control thing, because when you kick down the car while standing still, there is not a lot of push in the back or a lot of acceleration, so it kicks in later. So I'll try it for you. let's see, a complete standstill, and from there we will see what the car does. So we're standing still right now. We will test it all out in the 0 to 100, but I will give you a little teaser of that. So let's try a full kickdown. And it is really slow. Let's see if we can do something else with the brake and the gas. So I'll brake, press the gas. No, there is no faster option with that. So unfortunately, that is not a really fast start of this car, but it drives really good and really comfortable. So guys, thanks for watching. There is Nikki in my car. Check out our other videos right here of this Kia EV6, and we will see you guys in our next video. Ciao.